Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chop scallions for garnish. Scallions, or sometimes called green onions, are great for this. The deep green, the bright white, they just make a really beautiful contrast to a lot of the dishes that you like to eat. So I'm going to show you how to make them in a few different ways. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the easy one, which is just a simple slice. It's just a 1/8 inch slice on the scallions. You can do this for the green parts or the white parts. The important part is this is a garnish. You don't want to use this in cooking. It's just too fragile for that. So that's the main reason why. Now we're going to do a julienne cut. The thing that's really nice about the julienne cut is you can make a little haystack, kind of almost like a bird's nest on top of whatever it is that you're serving. So it just can add a lot of elegance to whatever it is that you're making. So it's just a fun cut for that. So the first thing that we're going to do is chop a piece of the green onion, typically the lighter green part, about 1 inch or 2 inches long. And then just cut that in half. You want to take that cut lengthwise, cut side down, so you can actually slice off just really thin pieces. It's important, if you have it cut side up, it might actually curl up and you risk cutting yourself because it is such a small cut, but it's really pretty. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna do is called a scallion brush. This is really fun because it actually looks like a little tiny broom. So you take the white part of the scallion, like the white and green part, cut it about 2 inches long. Then on the end, you just cut it, rotate it, cut it, rotate it, and cut it. And then you put it in ice water for at least 30 minutes or overnight. And that chilled water will cause the cut part to curl up and it looks like a little broom. It's cute. So like I said, you just want to take about a 1 inch to 2 inch cut, and then you're just rotating and making little tiny slices so you get kind of like a broom type look to it. Pop that in some water, ice water, at least 30 minutes, if not longer, but you can do it overnight. The thing that's also nice about this as a garnish too, by putting in the ice water, if you're maybe a little sensitive to the sort of onion flavors, this will actually reduce that a little bit. So, you know, it makes a nice garnish, but also you can actually lessen the impact of that onion flavor if you have someone who doesn't like it for some reason. Just put in the water, and we're just gonna put that in the fridge. I'm gonna let it go overnight, and you'll see how cool it looks. And the last one is these green onion curls. This is similar to the scallion brush. Instead of doing the white part, we're gonna do the green part. Similar thing, just cut off a couple inches, cut it lengthwise, lay it down flat, cut side down, and just trim off some slices. Just cut off those little strips. And then you grab those strips, put them in ice water, 30 minutes or overnight, and they'll curl up too. And then you have these great little green onion curls that are a great garnish. They're really lovely on omelets and stuff like that. So those are a couple different ways that you can make garnishes out of green onions or scallions, whatever you prefer to call them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If it's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And hey, you know what? If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.